everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will show you fast mold change EPS mold for quick mold change EPS shaping molding machine. The reason why you saw the male cavity and female cavity layout in the same side, because customer want the EPS filling gun and EPS ejector installed in the back side of the lid, so the box surface will be smooth. Each EPS lid has 1 piece of filling gun and 2 pieces of EPS ejector. Each EPS box has 2 pieces of EPS filling gun and 2 pieces of EPS ejector. For customers such monoblock EPS mold, we need our customer to provide us the machine frame drawing to mount mold into the EPS shaping molding machine. Since each EPS machine manufacturer has their own machine design, no matter which design they have, with the drawing, we are able to customize monoblock mold. This mold total have 28 cavities, include 14 pieces EPS box and 14 pieces of EPS lids. Now let me show you the back side of EPS mold. The EPS lid cavity is concaved, which all use the same length of EPS filling gun. By doing this, it can reduce the steam chamber of the lid cavity, which can save steam in production. We are using the German type EPS filling gun. For more information about this monoblock EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.